All right, outdoor adventurers. Today I'm just got home with my new Lem countertop number 8 grinder, and I'm going to be unboxing it and grinding up some meat and making sausage. So let's get this thing open and see what's happening here. So I got this at Sportsman's Warehouse, and I've got some rabbit meat to process, and I'll be processing some chicken meat here pretty quick. It'll be a good time to get this started before I leave to go on my trip. I can put up some sausage and have this all done. So let's see, what do we got here? We have, there's the grinder head. One hand is never fun. So there's the grinder head. Looks like the meat goes down there. It's got several different tools. It has two different cutting heads, and then this is the stuffing head. It has a sausage stuffer, gear drive for it. And let's see what we have here. Well, of course the bag's going to be a pain in the butt. Alright, so this is the stuffing tube that would go down the head like that to push the meat in. Let's see what's in here. Didn't need to do that. Alright, so we have a fine cutting head. We have a coarse cutting head. We have the cutter blade. And looks like we have a spare gear. If you happen to strip that out, got a spare gear. Okay. And then the sausage stuffing tube, which would go on the end here. Sorry, one-handed. Looks like that would go on there. And then make sure that's aligned right. Well, you get the idea. So let's get this thing set up and make some sausage. All right, so here we are getting ready to make up some rabbit sausage. Bought this Lem grinder sausage stuffer a few days ago, and failed to film grinding up a bunch of rabbit meat. I've got that in the refrigerator with the spices on it. It's been seasoning. So this is the Lem grinder that I got. Here's the grinding head. Got the stuffing tube. It's got a bunch of tools in it, including the stuffing nozzle that comes off of here. Got these High Country hog casings. Seemed to be about the best choice for where I was going. And I've got some of the casings soaking in some warm water. In about another hour, we're going to actually start stuffing this, and we'll see how this goes. My first time making sausage from home. All right, we'll get more.